Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm so happy to be among with you once again. You might be seeing my posters these days telling something about manifestation. And some of my friends have asked me, Sushila, Agatha, what is all about? So I thought let me just talk to all of you what I'm planning to do. You already know I'm Agatha Sushila Anthony Dias, the founder of Amchaghar, and I've been recently listed by the Forbes magazine as a top 10 women entrepreneur, received the award from the Indian Achievers Award, and recently 2021 achieved award from the World Book Record. Since long journey, since 25 years, I'm with Amchaghar. I'm training all my children, my teachers, and all my staff. It's a huge number. And they all call me mom, as you know. Well, I call myself a mother of hundreds and mom to thousands. And now I'm on my new journey as a dream trainer, speaker, and coach for the millions. I want to tell you that what learnings I had in my life with my teachers and my parents, my neighbors and relatives. And now, suddenly, with the help of my coach, Rohini Mudra, I learned something different. I realized I made my children at Amchaghar successful beings. I myself feel very proud of it. But still I feel that I haven't taught them, that I haven't taught my teachers or people surrounding me that how to fulfill their dreams. And today, in today's world, everybody is behind for success and fulfilling their dreams and achieving, comparing themselves with rich people, how to become rich. They are reading about them, they are following their posts, their articles and all sorts of things. But you know what I have realized? It's very simple. If you just follow some systematic path, and you will achieve whatever you want under this earth. And in fact, people, those who are aligned with the universe power and their subconscious, they are quick. And if you really look into the rich people, those who have accomplished their dreams, and they are willing to make many more dreams accomplished. Very simple method. They do not have, that scarcity mind, the poverty conscious mind. Oh, I cannot, afford this. Money is not good. Money is the, root cause of all the problems and all negative aspects of money. Tell me, my dear friends, if you tell money creates problems because of money, people, those are money, you have black money, they are doing mismanagement of money and whatnot. We are hearing in this atmosphere. And sometimes even our children listening the same thing. I tell myself, if I am talking ill about money, that I don't money, I can't afford money, I can't do, I will not do. How will that money energy will come to you? If you tell I can't fulfill, for example, say I want to be a TED Talk speaker, and I say no, I can't do because I can't speak, I don't have qualities, I don't have essence, I have no experience. So why will the universal energy will push you? The day you accept, the day your subconscious accept, yes, you can do it. And I believe. And the people, those who know me, I myself is live example of manifesting my dreams. Me being from Rajasthan, a small town. From very young age, I used to think, when I become big, I will empower these Rajasthani girls, those who are not educated, those who have to go behind in the fields, or those who have to go behind the goats and animals. And education is last. So from a very young age, when I was in fact maybe 10, 12 years, and then I said, no, 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 I would be doing something great for these children. I will empower them. And right now, I am doing people of whole India, children of whole India, children of Maharashtra, children of Mumbai, Thane. Perhaps we do not have any blood relations. We never expected. I am from Rajasthan, my husband from Goa, and children from everywhere. And yet, under the universe, we are all one, fulfilling each other's dream. And now, I have taken a new mission, beginning with my own family, that I will train my children. I will train my clients. I will train my students how to fulfill the dreams, how to live happy. And not only live happy oneself, but let we make happy this world to live a better place. Better place. Yes, I think we all are created by our Creator to be happy and successful. It's only somewhere with our environment we have forgotten about it. We are just going behind money, but really do not know how to go, how to fulfill our dreams. And we get despair, discouraged, fall in depression. So all my smart ladies and gentlemen, all those are watching me, please register yourself. Either message me directly that how to go for this step-by-step systemic way to follow our dreams. Mind, I have done it, I am still doing on, and I am in my process. And I wish that I train this skill to many more. Let's make this India a beautiful place and this world a beautiful place to live together. It's so interesting. In fact, when I was going through it, I realized it works like magic. The fear I was going through. And just I did some sort of calculation, just talked to my subconscious, and the fear vanished. Could you believe? No, you can't. Come and experience. Register yourself. Do DM to me, and we will soon meet for my assigned, subscribed, structural classes. And you will be the happiest person, I promise. Bye. Take care. God bless you. Good night.